last video, we actually, we got into our new camp, and I went ahead, and, ended the video, and I went into the new city or town, whatever, called Valentine, and I did a mission where, it was a bar fight, basically, and I went to the saloon over here. Some guy gave me photographs of 4 gunslingers. It's like I guess you call it a side mission, because it's not like the main quest of the story and stuff. It's a side mission. Hold up, y'all. My HDMI cord is like acting up. It's like unplugged a little bit, so do that. There we go. It's like a side mission or something, kind of like in video games, like side missions that are not main quests at all. But I went ahead and did one. That I did Emmett Granger, because Emmett Granger was the closest. Emmett Granger was the closest one. He was the closest, gunslinger, so I went ahead and did his. But there are 3 more that we need to do. Dude, why is my There you go. Okay. I'm gonna redo that intro now. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Red Dead Redemption 2. And, yesterday, I got a new mic. My old mic that I used in the first 2 episodes, well, first 3, I guess, but the first upload got, the first Red Dead video got deleted by UMB. I made a whole, I guess, complaint about that in the 3rd episode. So but I went into this town by our camp called Valentine, and I did this mission. It was a bar fight, and I went to this saloon actually, where a guy gave me 4 photos of gunslingers, famous gunslingers apparently, and I have to hunt them down and kill them. I actually did one of them, and it was the Emmett Granger one. If we go here, I did one. It was an Emmett Granger one. He was actually really close to our camp and stuff, so I did his. But we need 3 more of the gunslingers and stuff. We need Billy Midnight, Black Bell, and Falco Hernandez, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. So I did one mission off camera. Don't get like, oh my gosh, she's doing like missions off camera. What the freak? No. Reverend Swanson. I don't know who that is, but his mission is over there. So we're gonna do his mission. I hunted some deer. As you can see, you can skin it and put it on your horse. It looks pretty cool. So those are elks, not deer, but Let's go. And I also examined a Billy Midnight photograph that we'll do later. But for now, we are going to do this mission over here. Who is shooting? I don't know if it's a good shooting or a bad shooting. Oh, he's just doing that. Okay. Now, I'm gonna try not to avoid side missions, but I just want to focus on the main storyline in the game. But right now, my plan is to get all the gunslingers already, down and stuff. Because I don't know how many stranger missions in the game. It could be a lot, but you never know. Oh, there's a campsite down here. What is that? Or just some fiery wood. What is that? I just hear, but what the freak is that down there?
Okay.
Oh, we have binoculars. Okay. I don't really know what that is, but whatever.
Yeah.
But really, all I did off camera was do one mission, talk to some guy, and I just hunted like 3 deers, and that was really it. But Other than that, I got a new mic, and hopefully it sounds better. I got it this morning. So let's go.
Damn! What's the holdup? Are you damn hand?
Mr. Morgan.
Oh.
I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace. No more shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just want him to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject.
He's
And
getting
secondly, he
serious
can't
on
hardly
him.
see, let alone reason. Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God. They're children of God.
How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
I
No.
can't, partners.
I don't trust
I
people.
don't mean to spoil your fun, but I got things to do.
You sure?
Quite sure. I gotta get him out of here.
You
Come
just
on,
cut out of here
Reverend,
like
let's get you.
Dog or a cat.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. I was talking to you.
Gentlemen. Reverend! Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go?
The man where that man
Hey,
is, where is
you.
he?
Have you seen a priest?
What's your problem?
Have you seen a priest all drunk and crazy?
Leave me alone.
It'll make me shoot you.
Shoot me? Why would you shoot me?
Have you seen a priest?
Yes, he went that way. Angry jackass.
What's your name, boy? That's what I thought.
Reverend!
Reverend. Stop, I don't see him. Oh, he's getting choked out by this guy over here.
Hey, get your hands off him.
Say a word. You'll keep. You stay out of it.
Get your hands off him now, you son of a bitch.
What the hell is your problem?
He's with me.
Come here. Yeah.
Who's talking
Die.
now? Huh?
Oh my God! Killed him. I'm gonna beat the law on you.
I didn't kill him, I just knocked him out. In front of the witness. There's witnesses in this game? Okay.
Hey, you! Get back here!
That's amazing. Can I shoot his
You
leg?
better stop!
Oh, I can't. Ooh.
Stay away from me.
Uh!
Oh my God!
Oh. Yeah, you don't want that, don't you?
You idiot! You need to keep your mouth shut.
Yep. I won't tell a soul. I promise.
You getting the
I-
message? Now what? Where's Reverend?
I was just gonna punch him and let him go, but I just knocked him out. Works out. Oh God. The frick I just lose? What'd I even lose? I don't know what just happened.
Reverend! Over here!
Swanson, do I have anything I can run faster with? Because I know they put that in the game. Ooh, they have that. Yeah, they do. Alright, bet. Come here.
Come on!
Don't do it!
It's just a simple mistake. You can still be saved.
He has no idea what to say.
What have you done with your foot?
It appears to like this place. and wants to stay.
Oh
Get
no.
your foot out of here! Twist
Oh.
your leg, you drunken bastard!
Oh god.
Come on!
Oh my god. That would have been horrible if. Oh my god. That was a little intense.
Thank you, sir.
Oh no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm
I'm
sorry.
gonna give you a spanking.
I wish I was different.
I don't know why you did that.
Let's get you home.
Home. Yeah, that's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret, who's
There's
Margaret?
no person on camp called Margaret. Oh, he's drunk. Never mind. I say, who is Margaret? And someone don't know in the camp. There's actually a lot of people I know in the camp, or I don't know the names of half the people in the camp. I know Dutch, Charles, John, Javier,
Kippers, please.
Micah.
Yeah.
I don't remember the rest. I'm gonna upload as much as I can each day, like 3 or 4 videos a day. Like I said, part 1 got deleted by UMB, sadly, but it's fine. I'm working on trying to get the upload back up, because I upload videos from a computer. I put the file in there and I upload the video. So I'm gonna try to get that back if I can, because I don't know. Big fun. Big fun. Fun. I didn't mean to click this button, but it says how much cash. I don't know what that thing at the bottom says, a little cowboy with a skull. I don't know what that means. I need to hitch a horse right here. But this is our little camp. I'm just gonna get off. I don't know what's gonna let me hitch. This game looks beautiful. But yeah.
Well, I was wondering when he'd show up.
You'll work it out, Dutch. You always do.
Thank you, Arthur. I should have known. Get that fool back to his tent to sleep it off.
You better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
What happened?
Just the usual.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.
Yeah, he almost got run over by a train. Well, I did too. I risked my neck for a drunken moron.
Oh, hello.
Oh yeah, I have missing for Strauss. I know Strauss is too. What do you want, Miss
Mr. Strauss.
You busy, my friend?
Why?
I'll cut you in.
Loaning. Already?
You know how it is. People is happy to borrow off someone like me, but more enthusiastic paying back to someone like you.
Of course. Who are they?
Let me see. Chick Matthews works at Guthrie Farm. He's a hand, I believe. Mr. Roble, the small holder at Painted Sky, runs the operations there, badly. Miss Lily Millet is a ranch maid up at Emerald Ranch.
And here was me believing
I wanna
Dutch's
visit her.
bluster about us helping folks.
So do you have
It's
3
legal
options, or
work,
do you gotta
Mr.
do all
Morgan.
3?
Debtors belong in prison. We are doing them a favor.
And I'll make sure they see it in them terms.
Put the debts in the deed box.
Oh, we gotta do all 3. There's actually one right here. It's really close. I'll do that.
Try not to kill them. It's very bad for business.
You gonna freeze your acorns off dressed like that?
Inappropriate, bro. And kind of gay. Yeah. Can I get him a horse, please? Thank you.
Miss Karen, how you getting on?
So yeah.
Yeah.
There's, I guess. How much stuff do we have? We have a rifle and a bow and just 2 guns. Or 3 guns. We don't have that much. We are broke men. Well, I'm a broke guy.
Hey, enough out of you!
Stay back from the wagon, sir. Transporting a fugitive.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with that.
please!
I won't bother with that.
Knock, knock, Mr. Wood.
Kim jesteś?
I'm here on behalf of Leopold Strauss. Where's our
I just killed him with a gun.
Leopold Strauss. Nie mam pieniędzy.
God damn it, you don't speak English, do you?
Come here.
Now, you remember where you're keeping that silver?
Potrzebuję trochę czasu. Znajdę ci pieniądze.
Oh, still don't understand.
Well, I did cause subtitles, but yeah, in real life you don't.
God damn it,
Money.
you have a debt to Herr Strauss. Pay up.
Stop! Już nie mam siły.
Where is the money? Money! I'm not even beating him, I'm just tossing him.
Nie, nie!
I'm just tossing him across the room.
No.
I will kill you. I will kill you.
But I have this.
No, I'm going to kill you. Give me the money.
It's good. It's valuable. It's Warszawa, yes.
I have your things. Okay?
Oh, where's
I
eyes
have-
closed?
Anything in here or out there?
Yes.
Oh, I have a bow in my back, but I do apparently.
Very valuable. Good.
Not good yet.
He's hiding behind that thing. I don't know if we can.
No.
Yes.
What is in here? Probably nothing, but
Don't even speak English.
I'm not gonna bother with that. But there could be something in here. Nope. Can I check behind that thing?
What you got behind there?
Przepraszam, nie.
Move.
Move aside. Better be something somewhere.
Oh, a gold wedding ring. Don't mind if I do. Take cigarettes.
Okay. That
Search
should
this
about
one.
cover
Ooh,
that.
money. Yes. Gosh, that was the best one. You know what? You've been very rude today. Okay. Get over here. Can't even pick him up. Pick up.
We're going
Thank you,
for
God.
a walk.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Don't have to wait even, you know. You didn't give me the money the first thing. I didn't say where was the first thing, so I am going to just drop you on your front porch and leave you like that.
Boy.
Not mean to click that.
Well, been a pleasure. Yeah.
I don't need a bow unless I see an animal. Oh, I see an animal, okay. Can I take it to Pearson? Because he has like a camp. I don't know on the map, but he has something there that's for animals. So I'm gonna actually pick it up. Just put it on the back of my horse.
That should do it, boy.
There you go.
Yep.
It's like dark and it's light at the exact same time. That was confusing me a lot. I'll remove that deer, but first let me just donate to the box.
Cheer up, a lot of you. None of them women got the clap. None of you got lynched yet. Ain't none of you got married neither.
Shut up, whoever's talking.
All good, Miss Grimshaw.
Purchase, what? Ledger. Oh. That's cool. We can purchase ammunition, health cure. Let's do, I guess, medicine.
How did you get on, Herr Morgan?
Called in on the small holder, Roble. Didn't even speak English.
Good, very good.
My pleasure.
Well, if it's pleasure you're after, there is one other. This farmer preacher fellow I met in Valentine, Mr. Downs.
The opinionated little do-gooder? Yeah, I know the one. I certainly know the type.
Thank you, Herr Morgan.
There's no need to thank me. Like you said, it's pleasure I'm after.
He's more slippery than he seems. I've tried being polite. Don't take any nonsense.
Nonsense? Me?
If he doesn't have the money, beat him.
Well, I usually do.
I know. I know. I know.
Because old Bill believes in Dutch. You know, it's how a fella responds in a moment of crisis to show you who he really is.
I'm gonna take a nap, you know. Wait for day.
I know as sure as the sun rises in the one place and then goes and sets in the other.
Take a little nap. So, let's do, I know we have a bunch of missions on the stuff, but I'm gonna go ahead and do, I guess let's go for Bloody Midnight. I mean, it doesn't seem that long of a ride, but it might take a little while. Hey, the deer, I need to do something with this. I'll just put it down here, I guess. I'm just gonna drop it. Oh, we can't just place it in there. We just gotta place it over there. Maybe with someone. Alright, I'll do the like main missions after we do Billy Midnight's mission. But I want to work on getting these missions done before I go on the rest of the quest.
Yeah.
Billy Midnight. Oh! Criminal activity? Bet.
Open the damn lock. We're getting...
Die! All dead. We'll loot these guys. You know? They deserve looting and shooting. There shot that guy.
Mister, I don't hardly know what to say. Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome.
Done me a service. Hey, look. The stage company's gonna write this off as a robbery anyway. If you can get in that lockbox, you can take what you want from it.
Oh, thank you.
It ain't stealing if it's already stolen.
Can I just whack it?
Oh, I've
Yeah, I
been
can.
told.
There was like no money in here, but I guess I'll take it. Oh, got ammo, I guess. And a vegetable. It's not worth it. That's not really useful, but the ammo was pretty good, I guess. I appreciate that guy.
Here.
What the f... What the heck, bro? That's kind of creepy. It's creepy and disturbing. There's a shed over here. It's a real small one. Weird, but okay.
Yeah.
Do. Dun na 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 na. Maybe we should have taken the train, but the train, I don't really think we can like travel to a location we haven't been to yet. I don't think we can travel yet. More faster.
Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of animals over here. Oh, almost. This area's pretty nice, I guess. Looks okay. What are they doing? Like, my TV just turns black and then like back to the screen. I don't know what area this is, but it's certainly an area. Oh, wait, what the frick is... Did we just get over New Town? Yeah, roads. Scarlet Meadows. That's cool. Oh, look at this. This is a lot smaller than Valentine. but well, freak.
Mister,
What is your problem exactly?
Why are you
What is
just
he
up
doing down
like
there?
that? I've seen some sick perversions in my time. This one might take the prize.
no, wait, please.
Oh, so I can like oh, I can
That crazy gunsmith.
save that guy.
He made me dress up
Why?
like
This is the first thing I see in this new town.
Whoa, now.
I want to see what's in that basement of yours.
Yeah, you got someone down there. Got a kid.
Nothing to no worse down there, I swear.
Why don't I be the judge of that? Open it now!
All right, all right. I ain't got nothing to hide. Got my boy sitting down there. Such a shame. You could always come
That's
back
his
after he
son?
wakes up.
What are you doing to your son, bro? What the freak? That's kind of weird. Yeah. You better walk slowly down.
What I tell you about talking to your pa, that. Oh, thank God. He can't see. I only do. What the hell? Oh, finally. Thank you. Thank you. Damn. Well, guess he deserved it.
Don't ever try to kill like that again, even your own son. Ooh, weapon case. Oh, dang! This side came off, but this is a nice rifle. A lockbox. I'm gonna eat that. I guess I'll loot him. Well, that's weird. Like the first thing I see in this new town, roads. I don't. Wow. Okay.
Yep.
That dog just ran in front of me, bro. Not mean to click that, but that rifle is sick.
How do you do, sir?
Hello.
Hey, you there. A quick word.
What can I do for you, sir?
There's an old gunslinger I'm looking for. I heard he comes through here. Name of Midnight? Billy?
Oh, that old
Got him mixed up, but it's Billy Midnight.
Yeah,
Okay.
he spends days on board these trains, but he's going nowhere but the gutter. I imagine you'll find him right in the next one through here. Either that or the next one. Try them both. Look in the bar car.
Oh, well, the train stopped. Well, I'm just gonna hop on the train. I jumped on the train. Ugh. I could have passed him, but we don't know for sure. Is this him? Yeah, I think, yeah. It might be, yeah, it is.
Midnight?
Excuse me, I'm trying to drink.
Mr. Midnight, listen, this won't take a moment. I just want to talk with you about your old days as a shootist.
Get away from me!
Hey,
I didn't shoot him in his sleep.
no one's
I didn't shoot
saying
him in
that.
his sleep, and if I did,
He just
it was
confessed
the
his own
only
crime.
way.
Not a problem. I'm here about Jim Boy Calloway, and no one shot him yet.
I knew you'd come for me. Get away from me!
Mr. Midnight!
Bruh, really? I just wanted your photograph. Without your permission. Come here. You're not getting away.
I knew you'd come!
Come here.
I knew you'd come for me! It weren't my fault! I knew!
You don't know nothing, Mr. Midnight. I want to talk. Don't do something foolish.
You come for me! Come on!
Oh, draw back. Come here. That man Granger had nothing on me. Oh, look at his pistol. Fuck. Did that one. Now there's two more. Whoa! Ow. Shit. Where's that train even going in? To the abyss, apparently.
Yep.
Alright, well, we got midnight. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end it there. We only did like 2 minutes.